Hello friends, my name is Carlos. I am from buyweb.es, and in today's video I am going to explain how to speed up the pages of your website using the plugin Page Valley. Is a free plugin that you will find in the WordPress repository. But I will also leave a link in the description so you don't have to look for it carefully. As always, before getting into what the tutorial is, I would appreciate it if you like the video that you are going to see Argentina that I made. You will like it, you will subscribe to the channel, and you will activate the bell to notify me of future videos. And I also invite you that if you have any doubts or questions, leave them in the comments, and if I can help you, I will gladly do so. Let's go with what the tutorial itself is. We start from the base that we have already installed, okay? And we go to settings, okay? And here we have the Fire Page settings page. Okay, what does this plugin do? Okay, well, it preloads the links on your website, okay, in relation to the graphical window, that is when the page loads. It loads the links it finds and then does link preloads as well. Okay, that is, if we had a link within our content, for example, here is a link. Okay, when we hover over the mouse, over the link, it makes a preload. Okay, here in the description, it is explained to you by preloading the graphical window page, which are the links that load that are displayed when the page loads. And then the preload of the links by hovering the mouse over it is valid. Then it also allows you to limit the number of preloads per second. And well, it has the preload of the server. If he's busy, okay, then we're going to go to the adjustments. Okay, the first setting is to define the delay of the start of the preload. Okay, the recommended one is 0, but hey, it gives the option to customize it. Here we will define the maximum number of preload requests when the page loads. Okay, for example, here we would have, if we say 3, because when we load our page, it will preload the first 3 links. In this case, they would be these 3 from the header, okay? With this option, we enable the preloading of the links by hovering over it with the mouse. On the links, we would enable it, and here the delay of the preloading of the links. In my case, here I am going to put 5 to at least load the menu links. Okay, we leave this as is, and here we will enable this option so that the preload does not occur. I enabled it for the administrator, okay? Then simply the configuration would be this, okay? We would save changes, and then if we visit our website, what it would do is what I have told you. In other words, now, once you are careful, it must be clarified that it does not accelerate the initial load of the website. The loading of the links within the website. Okay, so if now we are going to come here, then speed up the load, and here it would also speed up the load. Okay, it actually charges pretty fast. Okay, okay, well no, there is not much more to explain. That this would be how to preload the links on your website. Okay, and thus speed up the loading of internal pages. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you liked that it helped you. Was it like that? Give him a like, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell to receive notifications of future videos, doubts and questions in the comments. See you in future videos. See you later.